Hello everyone, welcome to our new video today. I'm going to introduce our new products on my right hand. This preparation sinks, and the unit was made in USA. The manufacturer is here, and also this unit can fully customize. So as you can see in the picture in the previous one, this is about like a 4 feet unit long. And we can customize any length you want, and we have only one sink in the display models, but you can change any positions you want, and how many sinks you want to add on more, maybe 2, 3, you can just let us know and our manufacturer can make for you. So just for based on these samples, let me give the measurement first. This unit is about like a 48 inches long and 24 inches depth, and the overall height is about like a 38 inches, including backsplash boards. And we can take a look closer to see the sink sizes. For this sink, it is about like 13.5 inches wide and 11.5 inches deep. And the overall heights, they are about like 6.5 inches. The two hole diameters in the centers between each other is about like 4 inches. And for this drain at the bottoms, it is about like 1 and 3/4 inches. So this is just a sample, so we can make any size of the sinks you may need, and also you can put a little bit wider or maybe deeper, any place you want. So the customized units the manufacturer can make for you. And the units we can see they're made by all stainless steels, and also the second, the bottom layers, it is too. So if you do have more detailed questions and you have any other like drawing plans trying to making a different shape of the units, just feel free to contact with us. Thank you.